Hello, my dear student. Today we have a very special story and inspiring story of one of our student, Hana Malik. So Hana, she has done B.SC in Life Sciences from Dayal Singh College, Delhi University. Subsequently, she was pursuing Masters in Environmental Science from IGNOU. At that time, she came to know about A.S.S from one of our student, and she joined the A.S.S. So during the interaction at A.S.S, she was able to grasp each and everything for the M.SC exams also. So she has a curiosity of going for the PhD programs. And in order to do that, when she was in the third semester ending, she started preparing and giving all the entrances of the PhD exams as well as NET-JRF. So in that series, she appeared for the June NET-JRF as well as all the entrances and the interview. In that series, she qualified the PhD entrance of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, popularly known as IP Dwarka. So she qualified the entrance of University School of Environmental Management there. After that, our proposal and interview team guided her, and she was trained for the proposal and interview. After she was trained for proposal and interview, she was very much confident about the proposal she made, and the mock interview prepared her well for the interview program also. Then she appeared for the PhD interview at University School of Environmental Management, UACM, and she got the final selection in the PhD program at Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. Though she has done her master's from IGNOU, but after having the interaction with the faculty at A.S.S, she was so much into the subject that she was able to clinch the entrance as well as interview. On such a remarkable feat, we would like to congratulate Hana for the upcoming future journey in the PhD program, and we wish her good luck. At present, the institute is offering the offline online correspondence with video and only correspondence program for NET-JRF December 2024, as well as offering the crash course for the re-exam of NET, which is supposed to happen in August ending or September. Institute is also offering the GATE Ecology, Evolution and Environmental Science Engineering 2025. So those who are interested, they can reach us for the same at our given numbers, website, as well as through the Instagram page. Once again, we would like to congratulate Hana Malik for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.